This segment is brought to you by Sociably, social media content solutions. Start trending sociably.
Welcome back, drifters. Are you a seasoned sailor or a weekend boater? The Discover Boating New England Boat Show has a new option for everyone. But down there in the middle of all that, new is a bit of not so new. John's taking a step back in time and admiring the craftsmanship and beauty that is the classics.
Everybody loves old boats.
Sure do.
And this collection is amazing. So every boat's for sale, but these aren't.
These are not for sale.
There are no show specials on these boats.
No show special. We are all displaying boats.
So the Antique and Classic Boat Society,
That's
worldwide.
Right. Worldwide. More than 25,000 classic boats in our registry.
A lot of classic boats.
A lot of classic boats.
Wooden boats are tough.
Wooden boats, but it's not only wooden boats, there's fiberglass as well, classic
Sure.
glass. You know, we have glass drones here, jet drives, we have this 1974 gold flake glass drone. You cannot James Bond all over that, right? And then we got more utilitarian boats like the white or Lyman lobstrake boats. And we're coming into some classic lines from Hershoff. We have a 1910 Old Town canoe. We have an Italian Riva, of course, which is probably one of the most sought after boats in the world, and you know, prettiest lines typically.
This is so finely restored.
Well, yeah, it's about preserve them and restore them, and but still use them. You know, we're still using the boats. We take them out.
Freshwater, I hope.
I'll take mine in salt water
for
a short little dip.
All right, short little dip. Wash it off good when it's done. Flush it out good.
The boat can handle it. It's more the engines.
Yeah.
The classic engine, cast iron engines. You know, salt is not good for them.
Right.
Parts are hard to find. So you know, it's like having a classic car. You go boating, and but you boat with care.
Oh,
you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, you.
And I'm sure you're getting a lot of. How much? They want to buy it.
It's a price range from reasonable until Rivas are a little different in the price range.
What would this boat be worth? This Riva?
This one be about $275,000.
You know what?
So and but you can start classic boating for a good classic boat like the one we have over here would be $35,000. So it's not a big step into classic boating, and you will never get more thumbs up anywhere than coming in a classic boat.
Which is yours?
This is mine.
This is yours?
Yeah.
My new buddy. We're going to the French Riviera.